Tuesday, August 6, 2024. Transfiguration of the Lord. Focus. He was transfigured before them, and his clothes became radiant, intensely white, as no one on earth could bleach them. Jesus usually went up into the hills by himself to pray. This time he took company. Did he have something special in mind? It appears so when we see what happened. Apart from the theological implications of the Transfiguration event, we can draw personal lessons from it. Notice that it is only Christ who was transfigured. The three did not understand it at the time, even questioning what this rising from the dead might mean. But later, they and all the apostles understood and were transformed. We see its lasting impact on Peter. The Transfiguration can lead us also to be transfigured in a way that we refocus on our purpose. Transform the way we see things and people. Otherwise, we easily get bogged down into petty fights and trivial matters and so lose sight of the great goodness of God and neighbor. Once we are transfigured, our life will be more interesting and more enriching, helping us to serve the Lord constantly as Daniel envisioned. What is more, those we come in contact with can be transformed too. It is not our purpose to witness to Christ and bring His healing touch to others. Fruit. Let me decide and take one small step that will bring about a major transformation in my life.